Hey guys, how are you doing today? So basically whenever you think of making burgers, there's this lengthy process of making the mixture, frying the patties and then assembling everything in the buns. But today I'll be showing you a very quick version of making these tawa burgers at home, which does not involve any kind of frying and yet you don't have to compromise on the taste. So let's get on to the recipe. So to prepare these yummiest burgers, first up in a pan, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of butter along with 1 tablespoon of oil. Once melted and heated well over medium flame, then we'll add in half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and when they are fried enough and starts to crackle, next goes in some finely chopped green chillies and 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic. Mix it and saute for a while. Saute it just for a while until its raw flavor goes away, and then goes in 1 onion which I have finely chopped. Cook the onions for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it turns slightly golden and tender. So keep cooking the onions and mixing it so that it doesn't burn at the bottom of the pan. Then we'll add in all the vegetables. So here I'm adding 1 capsicum which is finely chopped, 1 small carrot, and cook these 2 vegetables just for a while until they become slightly tender. And once these vegetables becomes tender, then we'll add in all the other vegetables. So in goes 2 tomatoes which I've roughly chopped like this. Mix it and cook it just for a while until tender. Then I'm adding 1 big potato which is boiled and cubed. A handful of boiled or frozen green peas. Next goes in some boiled corns. I'm also adding some salt, and now mix everything really well and cook for some more time over medium flame until everything comes together and cooked. If you want, you can cover it with the lid also for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they become slightly soft. So I'm covering it just for 2 minutes over medium flame. Remove the lid and check. Mix it a bit. You can see the vegetables have become nice and soft. And now you can mash it slightly with the help of pav bhaji masher, and this is completely optional. If you want your vegetables to be slightly chunky, then you can skip this. But I am mashing it slightly just to have that fine texture. After that, we'll add in some small pieces of paneer. So here I've got 50 grams of paneer which I've cut into small pieces just to give that extra flavor and richness. Paneer is also completely optional. Mix the paneer really well with the masala. And then goes in all the dry spices. So in goes a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder to give that perfect red color in that base. Half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of chaat masala. Then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. 2 teaspoons of red chilli sauce and a tablespoon of schezwan sauce if you have handy. So this is homemade schezwan sauce and it tastes really awesome in this dish. If you want, you can check the video. I'll give you the link in the description box below. Mix everything really well for about 2 more minutes until all the masalas are nicely cooked through along with the sauces. Now comes the important and everyone's favorite ingredient, that is cheese. So here I'm adding handful of grated processed cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. So this is around half a cup. This will help in balancing all the flavors and making the base very yummy and cheesy. So cook it over low to medium flame until the cheese is nicely melted. So now keep cooking the masala over low to medium flame along with the cheese, and if you feel the masala is too thick and getting burnt at the bottom of the pan, then you can add just 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and again cook. The masala looks good now. You can see it's nicely cooked. Cheese is also melted and you can also see some oil from the sides. It's really mouth-watering already. Next goes in some fresh coriander and mix it. So this yummy and tempting looking masala is ready. Time to switch off the flame and let it cool slightly. Next we'll take a burger bun. Slit it into half. So here I'm using 2 burger buns. Slit them into halves. And then apply a good amount of the mixture to make a thick layer out of it. Spread it evenly all over. So make sure you apply a thick layer, then only your burgers will turn very delicious and cheesy. So don't be stingy over here. Similarly, I'll be stuffing the other one. And now cover it with the top part and press it slightly. Do it with the other bun as well. And now comes the most interesting thing to make it more tasty and yummy. Heat up a pan over medium flame and take a tablespoon of butter over it. Once it is melted, add just a few pinches of red chilli powder. Mix it a bit. And now gently roll the burger onto it on all the sides to cover it nicely with the butter and the red chilli powder. So keep rotating it to cover all the sides with this butter. And then toast it slightly from the top as well as the bottom by flipping it as required. Just press it slightly just to make it extra crispy on both the sides. So you can see this burger is nicely toasted on top as well as bottom as well as the sides. So here you go, your homemade extremely delicious and cheesy tawa burger is ready to enjoy hot right out of the tawa. We'll show you from all the sides. If you want, you can grate little cheese on top as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching this non-fried stuffed burger, and if yes, then like, share and subscribe for more such yummy goodness from Kanak's kitchen. I'll see you soon in my another video. Take care. Bye bye.